Hi, my name is Vanita, and the reason I was searching to do an Amazon course is because I did want a side business, I suppose, that would give me some extra cash to start off with, but hopefully in future to be able to give up my day job and just, have more time with family. So yes, definitely, that was the reason I, went out to look for something like an Amazon business that would be able to give me that freedom, I suppose. The reason I joined Alex's program, I suppose, is because they were able to give me the answers that I wanted initially, satisfactory answers, I suppose. When you're for any business, you want to know, certain things about it before you're going to spend your money. So I had a call. So as soon as I put my, interest in, I got a call from, somebody within the company who I was able to have a chat with, and they were able to answer all my questions. And, that sort of gave me a little bit more confidence that, I will have somebody who will be there to assist, if I needed, as I went down the journey with doing my Amazon business. The training part is very comprehensive, very nicely laid out, step by step program. It's easy to find things that you're looking for. You're able to actually example, so there is like example letters and templates in there as well, that you can just pretty much copy and paste and change a few things, and it's ready to utilize. So yeah, the training is actually always available. So also there's updates as well. So if there's something new that happens, as the training's updated to give you some new information as well. And also I've been to a seminar which is very informative, nice to see a lot of people who are in the same program, and able to discuss what you're actually all about. So yes, the training is definitely well worth it. I would definitely recommend the training to whoever is looking to start an Amazon business. It is something that is actually easy to follow. So yeah, definitely, absolutely, would recommend the training part to and the whole program actually to anybody who's interested.